So if you guys didn't know, I became obsessed with reading this book by Colleen Hoover. Very crazy story, crazy scenes, happy ending. Definitely one of my favorites. But I also have these other ones by her. Hopeless, which is the first one. Losing Hope. And of course it ends with us. Those are the only ones that I have so far from her, but Hopeless and Losing Hope I intend to read because I heard a lot about it. Hopeless is the first one, and then Losing Hope is the second one. We'll see how it goes, and what I think of them after reading all of them, I will give you guys my thoughts.